The Samsung Galaxy A56 is anticipated to launch in March 2025, continuing Samsung's tradition of unveiling new A-series models during this period. This upcoming model is expected to feature a 6.67-inch Super AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, providing a smooth and vibrant viewing experience. Under the hood, the Galaxy A56 is rumored to be powered by the Exynos 1580 chipset, coupled with 8 GB of RAM, ensuring efficient performance for multitasking and demanding applications. The device is also expected to support 45W fast charging, allowing users to quickly recharge the 5000 mAh battery. In terms of photography, the Galaxy A56 is likely to come equipped with a triple camera setup, including a 50MP main sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide lens, and a 5MP macro lens, offering versatility for various shooting scenarios. The front camera is expected to be a 12MP sensor, suitable for high-quality selfies and video calls. While the exact pricing details are yet to be confirmed, the Galaxy A56 is expected to be competitively priced, making it an attractive option for consumers seeking a balance between performance and affordability. As the launch date approaches, more detailed information about the device's features and availability will become available.